Hi, my name is Talia. I'm the mechanical engineer here at Delta Q. We've designed our XV3300 battery charger for the toughest industrial EV applications. Now that our charger had survived the slam test and the dunk test, we're about to take the durability test to new heights, literally. For this test, I am going to throw the XV3300 battery charger off the balcony, because after all, gravity is just another force to play with, right?
Woo!
3, 2, 1.
Woo!
Now let's take it to the lab and see if it survived its skydiving adventure. Now let's plug it into AC and DC and see if it works. Look at that, it's already charging. Once again, our XV3300 charger had passed the test with flying colors and survived the series of our durability tests. That's one tough charger that can handle anything.